Today I'm testing the Hex brush, and it's a product that has 6 makeup brushes in one. Each side has 3 brushes that can slide in and out. The brushes include a fluffy powder brush, a dense foundation brush, a tapered highlighting brush, an angled contour brush, a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, and a flat eyeshadow brush. There are 3 controllers, and all 3 controllers have 2 brushes attached on either side. So you pull one out and it snaps into place, and if you want to use the other brush on the other side, you just pull it down and snap the bottom one in place. So I'm using the dense foundation brush for my foundation and my concealer. I think overall the foundation brush is staying up even with the firm pressure. Sometimes I notice my hand wanting to slide it down, so that's the only thing loosening it, but I think it did a pretty good job evenly applying the foundation and the concealer. All the brushes feel really soft on the skin. On the brand's website, it says that the brushes are cruelty-free and made with vegan and synthetic materials. Ooh. That was really nice. I think the overall application is really nice. I think it blended really well and it didn't leave any streaks. I really loved the facial brushes like the foundation brush, the powder brush, and the contour brush. However, I didn't like some of the eyeshadow brushes very much. I don't think the application was as pigmented as some of my regular eyeshadow brushes, and it was kind of hard to see what I was doing because of the handle, and my hand kind of cramped up a bit. So maybe I'll just stick with some of my regular brushes. And here is the final look. The Hex brush is designed in a way that the brushes cannot be removed, but they can be washed like regular brushes. However, since the brushes are connected, it's best to wash one side at a time. Wait to dry before putting those 3 brushes back in to clean the other side. What I like is that this tool is very compact and travel friendly. I also like that both ends have these lids so you can open and close them and just keep them clean if they're in your makeup or your travel bag. Overall, I'm not sure if I'll use this every day, but it's definitely something I will include in my travel bag.